kugwa ombutandu ya motoka izobariro akatano ahankuto ya Masaka kuza Kampala 2013 okwezi oku ogwabanaruga ahamukorogo kushendekereza owabirari minister wihanga oweshonga z'abamahe hamwe nebyo kwerinda kandi wabariyo munyishengerokazi wa district ya Kisoro Sarah Mateke ahabwire obuyaferaho twina Masiko abire director wa training and doctrine for UPDF Land Forces kandi ogu akakoraho na non position zitari zimwe na zimwe omahegi hanga ahamukorogo kumushendekereza ogwakorerwa omukishayi ekishomero Eliaka Katunda Primary School. Reverend Canon Milton Nkurunungi ori secretary ahabwa diocese ya Kigezi yaishusa abazichi ngubine kwetekateka ngwabo kuba tine muntu nomwe ori kumanya amagarage ekigariho na nekintu ekiri kubasa kubaho izoberindi.
In the African context, even before Christianity came, nedine je iturashoma etaka twiziremu abantu abira baragira mu Africa omuntu akabaine consciousness ejo kumanya ngu ejinsi nebiri mu byona hariho wabitireho hariho wabihanjiri. So consciousness eyo kumanya ngu hariho ruhanga owo tushebere kumanya no kwikiriza n'ekintu cyango munonga ngano ruhango baratumanya. Even when things happen, mubwiro utarateka ngushemerere kubaho, God knows it all.
Abagambi batari bamwe na bamwe basima Brigadier General Twina Masiko ahabo kwehayo okwakorire ihanga kandi okwabire omwiserukale ari echo kureberaho.
Inspired so many young people. Your legacy lives on through countless lives you touched.
Owajwechera Chief of Defense Forces kandi political commissar Major General Henry Masiko yasima omugenzi Twina Masiko ahabo kubecho kureberaho ahabandi hamwe na n'umurimo muhango ogwakorire amahegi hanga.
We remember Brigadier General Twina Masiko with deep respect and gratitude for his unwavering dedication and exceptional service to our nation. His patriotism and care for others will be profoundly missed. On behalf of the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs and myself, please accept our sincerest sympathies. Our thoughts and prayers are with you, your family, and all who mourn this great loss.
Brigadier General Twina Masiko akazarwa ahabirabiri na munana ebyo kwezi kwa 11 omwaka gwa 1992 kandi akatandika emishomo ye ayishomero Elianyabirerema Primary School eri kushangwa omu district ya Rukiga ogwa keyongerayo na nemishomo ya za Makobore High School aho yamarire O level na bwanyuma niko kuza Makerere College aho yashomire A level ogu akatunga degree omu Economics and Rural Economy okuruga omu itendekero Eliya Makerere University omwaka ogwa 1983 bwanyuma yo kuheza kujwara Twina Masiko akegita ahakibina echa National Resistance Army niho yatandikire okuza omumahe ogu akatunga okutendekwa okutari kumwe na kumwe kandi omurioko harimo okuyatungire Yugoslavia omwaka gwa 1998 kandi yisha yaheza cadet course omwaka ogwa 1991 niko kutunga rank ya second lieutenant ombwebembezi bwe ahamwe na n'obukugu ukamuletera okubasa kutungura narishikuba promoted okuzahidara area captain omwaka gwa 1995 bwanyuma y'emirimo eyi yakozire omuri muduri ya Tanzania emyaka okwegenzire netambura Twina Masiko atungire ebintu ebitari bimwe na bimwe ebyabire nakora omuri harimu echa paymaster ahabwa first division ahamwe na instructor ahari Gaddafi Garrison Unit omwaka wa 2022 ogu akaba promoted yaza ahidara area Brigadier General ogu akagumizamo ari kutunga na no kutendekwa okwebintu byamahe ari kuza omukushoma omuri Kenya, Sweden, Yugoslavia ahamwe na Tanzania. Brigadier General Twina Masiko mutabani wa Elvida hamwe na Francis Kateitwa yasigaba akazi bashatu abana mwenda abarimu habishiki mushanjo ahamwe na nabojo babiri.